In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Yahoo Mail to Gmail link or Yahoo account to Gmail. By the end, you'll have your Yahoo messages flowing right into your Gmail inbox so you can read everything in one place. Start by opening Gmail and signing into your Google account. Once you're on the main Gmail screen, look to the top right and click the gear icon. In the panel that opens, choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. Along the top, select the Accounts and Import tab. This is where Gmail manages connections to other email accounts. Scroll down until you see the section called Check Mail from Other Accounts. Click Add a Mail Account. A small window will appear, and it will ask for the email address you want to link. Type your Yahoo email address and click Next. Gmail will then guide you through connecting the account. When prompted, enter your Yahoo login details. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked to confirm the sign-in or complete a quick verification. Simply follow the on-screen prompts so Gmail is authorized to access your Yahoo messages securely. Next, you'll see options to verify or adjust the Yahoo Mail server settings. Gmail typically fills these in for you. If they're shown, make sure a secure connection is enabled. You'll also see some useful choices, like leaving a copy of retrieved messages on the Yahoo server, labeling incoming messages from this account, or archiving them automatically. Labeling is a great tip if you want to instantly recognize which emails came from Yahoo while still keeping everything in one inbox. Pick the options that match how you like to organize mail, and continue. Now, just follow the prompts to complete the syncing process. Gmail will set up the connection and begin fetching your Yahoo emails. The first import can take a few minutes, especially if you have a lot of messages. That's normal. You can keep working in Gmail while it runs. Once syncing is complete, your Yahoo emails will appear in your Gmail inbox. If you chose to apply a label during setup, you'll see that label next to those messages, which makes them easy to find. New Yahoo emails will be checked periodically, so they'll continue to arrive in Gmail automatically. If you don't see them right away, give it a moment and refresh. That's it. You've successfully linked your Yahoo Mail to Gmail, and you can now manage your messages from a single, streamlined inbox. Thanks for watching.